Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X20, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold your power key. Once you see your boot options, hold power off. As you can see, this changes into reboot to safe mode. Confirm by tapping on OK, and this will initiate the reboot. Now once it boots into that safe mode, in this particular mode, only the pre-existing applications will function. Anything that you have downloaded yourself through like Play Store or just browser will not function at all. And that is so you can troubleshoot your device. If you have downloaded some kind of malicious app, that app has no way of running in safe mode. It's just completely terminated. So you can easily get rid of it, do whatever you need to do. And once you're done with this mode, you can reboot the device to go back to normal. Now, as you can see, once you boot in, you have this watermark right here, safe mode, just so you are always aware what mode you're in. And additionally, the apps that won't run because they're not native to Android, like they're just third-party applications, are gonna be monochrome. Now, every app that you can see right here that is in my app list right here is going to run just fine because, as you can see, they all have like normal look to them, normal color. The monochrome ones just get changed like the semi-transparent monochrome, so you can easily distinguish them between the normal ones that will run. So anyway, like I mentioned, to leave this mode, once you're done with it, you can simply hold power key and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to a normal mode. Now that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.